Welcome to our first video of our Are You LinkedIn series. Session 1, Creating a Winning Student Profile. We are from the University of Plymouth Careers and Employability Service. We offer our students and recent graduates information, advice and guidance on how to improve your employability. This video is part of the LinkedIn series. You can find out more about other videos, workshops and webinars on our website, plymouth.ac.uk/careers. In this video, we will give you top tips on how to create a winning LinkedIn profile and get yourself started on the platform. So what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a living and breathing network where students, graduates, professionals and employers can interact and network. Your profile is a great way to share not only your experience, but your personality and interests. Who uses LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social media platform mostly used by businesses and professionals. With over 500 million users coming from more than 200 countries, LinkedIn lists more than 10 million active job posts and hosts data on more than 9 million companies. Recently purchased by Microsoft, LinkedIn has the largest database of contacts and information. So why do I need a LinkedIn account? Well, let's start by building your professional online presence. When it comes to finding work, experience, or your first graduate job, LinkedIn is an excellent resource. Your profile should act as your online CV, so be sure to complete it with as much information as possible and keep it up to date. Connect with alumni and other contacts. LinkedIn is the largest virtual business networking platform available to you 24/7. It's an ideal place to find and connect with a wide range of people, from prospective employers to peers. Research companies and industries. With over 9 million businesses on LinkedIn, this is the best database of information out there. You can explore opportunities with organizations that don't recruit on campus. Most companies will have a recruitment section on their LinkedIn profile page, and a lot of them now use this as their main source of advertising new roles. Your LinkedIn profile gives you room to elaborate and go deeper than a traditional CV. So what can I use my LinkedIn for? Keep in touch with fellow students and academics and see how they progress in their careers. Use your profile as your online CV and make yourself visible to potential employers. Find and apply for jobs that may not be advertised anywhere else and keep up to date with the companies you would like to work for. Find and connect with new professionals and build your network of contacts. Discover and participate in relevant groups. Whether you are interested in Arsenal or digital marketing, LinkedIn has a variety of groups where professionals interact, share knowledge and debate. Groups are an incredible source of contacts and a brilliant way to expand your network. Share what you know and ask questions. Studying a new module or attending an event, share it with your network. You'll be surprised who might see it. In order to expand your network, you will need to understand how to get connected. Unlike Facebook or Twitter, LinkedIn has a very simple mechanism to enable you to grow your network. On LinkedIn, people in your network are called connections. Your network is made up of your first, second, and third degree connection, as well as your fellow members of your LinkedIn groups. First degree. People you are directly connected with because you've accepted their invitation to connect, or they've accepted your invitation. These can be friends, family, line managers, or academics. You will see a first degree icon next to their name in search results and on their profile. Second degree connections. People who are connected with your first degree connections. You will see a second degree icon next to their name in search results and on their profile. You can send them an invitation by clicking on the connect button on their profile page. Third degree connection. People who are connected with your second degree connections. You will see a third degree icon next to their name in search results and on their profile. We will explore how to send connection requests and build your network in session 2 of the series. Time to build your professional online presence. Have you ever Googled your name? Have you checked what comes up in images? Having a completed LinkedIn account is a great way to demonstrate your professionality to potential employers. LinkedIn is your CV that never sleeps. Recruiters and potential employers often use LinkedIn as a database of candidates to fill their vacancies. They will often run searches and see who matches their requirements. Your LinkedIn profile is how future employers get a glimpse of your personality, skills, and strengths. LinkedIn is your CV that never sleeps. 50% of hiring managers will decide whether to move forward with a candidate's application based on their LinkedIn profile. Building a great student profile to showcase your experience and professional interest on LinkedIn. Use your headline to get aspirational. This is your slogan, the one professional fact that people should know about. Your headline should describe what you're doing now and where you see yourself in the future. Check out the profile of fellow students and recent alumni for ideas. As your experience and aspirations grow, don't be afraid to change your headline. The beauty of LinkedIn is that nothing is written in stone, so update it as your experience grows. Want to make a good first impression? Pick the right photo. Just as you wouldn't go in an interview looking unprofessional, your LinkedIn profile picture is how people will see you. A nice shirt will do just fine. No need for a suit and tie if that's not your style. Shoot in a bright location and upload a clear photo. Smile and be yourself. Upload a high-quality photo. Your profile will be 7 times more likely to be viewed. LinkedIn isn't Facebook. No party shots, cartoon, avatars, or puppy pics. Your summary statement is similar to the first few paragraphs of your best written cover letter. Concise and confident about your qualifications and goals. Include any relevant work and extracurricular examples. Use your summary to describe your trajectory. Where will your skills, experience, and future goals take you? Get creative. This is your biggest opportunity for showcasing your personality. Include hobbies, interests, and write in your own tone of voice. Think of your summary as an elevator pitch where you explain what makes you unique. Your skills and expertise section is a place to include keywords and phrases that recruiters search for. Find relevant ones in job listings that appeal to you or in the profile of people who have the kind of roles you want. Include a minimum of 5 skills, whether they're learned in the classroom or in work. Skills help recruiters find you and discover where you shine. Include general and specific keywords, as well as both your hard and soft skills. For example, you may include leadership and Microsoft Excel. Now it's time to show off your education. It is important to have the most up-to-date education information. Include all your GCSEs, A-levels and extracurricular activities, such as Duke of Edinburgh Award. List your degree and any relevant modules. And don't forget to tag your school, college and university. Don't be shy. LinkedIn is an appropriate place to show off your marks, test scores and awards. Your experience. Your experience section is one of the most relevant and important sections for viewers, where you can describe your skills and accomplishments in detail. Include any internships, summer job, part-time work, and even unpaid work experience. Bullet point your experience and don't write long task description. Focus on learned skills. For example, if you have worked as a student ambassador for the university, why not highlight how you've developed your communication skills and leadership skills you have gained from the role? Remember, whatever you have done, you will have gained relevant skills. Your talents and abilities help define who you are, and if someone is looking for particular skills, having it listed on your profile will help you come higher up in the search results. Whether it's another language, computer software skills, or industry-specific knowledge, add those skills to your profile. Posting updates helps you to stay on your network's radar and builds your professional image. Mention your project, professional books or articles, events you're attending. Don't forget, many recruiters read your feed, so always be positive and professional. LinkedIn is your professional portfolio. Don't forget to share your work. You can add actual examples of your writing, design work, or other project on your profile. What better way to sell your skills than to show employers exactly what you can produce? Whether you want to promote course project, blog, employer consultancy project, research survey, or the result of data analysis. LinkedIn allows you to demonstrate how your classroom learning can apply to real-world challenges and demonstrate your future potential. So don't be shy. Nothing shows the quality of your work like tangible examples. Recommendations are a great way to add value to your profile. Think of them as a reference section on a traditional CV. 2 really meaningful recommendations from a tutor or manager, for example, will highlight your qualities and what you can bring to an organization. Don't forget to link your lynda.com and LinkedIn accounts and record all your learning achievements. This is a great way to demonstrate extracurricular learning. All students and staff have access to lynda.com. Lynda.com is a continually growing and evolving library of training videos and tutorials covering a wide range of software, technology, and business topics. This is a simple way to learn and develop new skills on subjects you may not be covering in your course. Now that you've created your account, why not get it checked by one of our experts? The Careers and Employability team based in the Hub in Roland Levinsky building can give you feedback and further advice on how to improve your profile. You can also look at our website for more information and access to the next videos in the series. So let's recap on what we've learned today. A complete profile will reflect on your professional experience and improve your online presence. Your headline is the first thing that people will read about you, so ensure that you are clear on what message you want to convey. Share your passions and interests in your summary. Adding your education will increase the number of opportunities that come your way. Your experience is one of the primary things prospective employers will want to see, so keep it relevant and up to date with all the skills you've learned. Listing your skills will help recruiters to find you. Include examples of work, projects, to display what you've accomplished. Recommendation: confirm you can do what you say you can. Finally, don't forget to link your account with your LinkedIn Learning lynda.com account. So there you go. Follow the tips above and watch the opportunities come your way. Thank you for watching. We hope you found those tips useful. We hope that you take every opportunity your Careers and Employability service gives you to develop your skills and confidence in meeting employers and exploring careers options.